Hey guys, it's Cara. Welcome back to the Rambutina channel. Today we are announcing the winner of the 1k subscribers yarn giveaway. I want to say a massive thank you to everyone who entered, and thank you so much for 1.7 subscribers. I can't believe it. Thank you so much. It warms my heart so much. So yeah, thank you. I will be doing another giveaway at 2k subscribers, so make sure you share this with your friends, and yeah, maybe you'll have another chance of winning another yarn giveaway. But yeah, thank you so much. I was so overwhelmed with all the entries. I really was not expecting that many of you guys to enter. So yeah, thank you so much. And I loved learning all of those interesting fun facts about you. Yeah, so much fun reading them all. So welcome to all my new subscribers. I hope you stay for more crochet tutorials, yarn hauls and journaling videos from me on this Rambutina channel. Also, thank you so much for all the comments on my wig in the last video. I'm not wearing a wig in this video, but I will do a wig collection very soon, and I was thinking I could also show you some of the crochet headpieces like beanies, headbands and bananas that I've made, so I can show you some of those as well as the wigs because they look good with the wigs. Right, let's announce the winner of the 1k subscribers yarn giveaway. Congratulations to Made to Sparkle, you've won. If you could message me on Instagram, the links will be down below. It's at Rambutina, and then we can talk about how I can send this to you, or if you don't have Instagram, I will leave the email address down below as well. So thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye!